This coffee grinder's pretty good. I pour some in here. So. I hear they're all a little noisy, but this one's great. I just made me an espresso. Usually for that I'll put it about 4, a little over 4, and I'll turn this thing right here all the way to fine and hit the button. This is how long it takes. Hear that? All right, got to make sure this is all the way in. That's how long it takes to make about a cappuccino. Then tap it like that. Put it in there. Nice and fine, beautiful coffee. I like it. Works good for me.